What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just got back home from work, picked up the little boogers, Frenchie and Charlie. Come on, man, come outside. And I'm expecting a package, which I don't see here, which is not a good sign. I'll tell you guys why. So I'm gonna run to the front. Stay, guys. I'm gonna run to the front and hopefully it's there. But here's the funniest thing. People can't do a simple job, okay? Check this out. Oh, there's my package. There's my package. Thanks, Amazon. You can't read, huh? Please leave packages at the back door. Thanks. This is stolen. I would have been very upset. But we got it. So let's get this install going. Let me show you what's in here. It is something for the GSF. Yes, I said I was done with mods, but this is just a little something small that's gonna be a little rice, but oh well. It is 100 degrees in this garage. We're gonna die in here doing this. That's why I got both of my fans going. I got the door open. It's not helping. It's hot as shit in here. Anyway, let's open this up, see what actually came in here. All right, so I saw a Instagrammer do this to his GSF and it looked pretty damn good, so I decided to pick up the kit also. This kit is by this company, AURA, Interior LED Strip Kit, okay? Optic 7. I believe they have a newer version, Optic 9, which is controlled by your phone via Bluetooth, but that's like 20 bucks more, but I don't feel like I need that. Just the remote will be good enough. So this should be good enough for what we're gonna do and need it for. So let's see what's inside the box. Need help on the install? We probably will. Need support? We probably will. All right, what do we got? We have some fuse connectors for a professional installation, and it's pretty cool that they provide one of each depending on which type of fuse you're gonna use. One of the minis, the micro, or the regular fuse size, which is awesome. Or you could go the easy way and connect it to your cigarette lighter and just have a on and off switch like that, which we probably won't do. Here is going to be the transmitter for all our LED strips that are going to connect to it. Here are our LED strips, and let's have a look at these. Very high quality with double-sided tape on the back. Pretty neat, pretty neat. And then this box is probably the extra cables if we need it. Then some zip ties. And some mounting brackets if needed. Perfect. Oh, that's a lot of zip ties. Awesome. All right, so what am I doing with this crap? Am I ricing out my GSF? I hope not, but let me show you something. Granted, it's not nighttime, but if you look at the interior and you open the door, the lights just turned on. Can you see that? The little faint light that we have in here? It's a joke, guys. I'm not even exactly sure where. Oh, there's the light. There's the light. We have one tiny LED that's supposed to light up everything. And so that one little footwell light is not gonna do for the ambient lighting in this car. One thing that Lexus has failed is the lighting in this on the interior. There's no lighting. You have some in the doors, and it's only visible when you're in park. Once you put it in drive, it dims automatically. So it's not like the BMWs where it's like you could choose your colors, your design, whatever. So we're gonna add it to the footwells in the front, maybe in the back, depending how easy it is to run the wires. Add a little bit of pizzazz into this car, see if you will. So let me start disassembling, reading these instructions, see how this is going to be mounted, and we'll go from there. Just to show you a simple test, I connected the provided tap into the fuse box just to test out how it's gonna work. Here's the LED strip. Where is my ground wire? Right here. So if I touch the ground wire, you can see the LED strip turns on right away, and I could adjust the colors. But right now my ignition is off, so I need to find a fuse that's powered only when the ignition is powered on. So I'm gonna do that next, and then we'll figure out how to wire or run all these wires. But that was pretty damn simple. Charlie, are you helping out? All right, so small update. What I got happening, I found a fuse underneath the driver's side, which is a 10 amp, which turns on when I turn the ignition on. Powered it up, I grounded the line, and then I'm gonna mount this box and all the wires that go to it on the passenger side footwell, because there's more space here. So I'm just routing the first lines to the lights that are gonna go to this side. So that's where we're at right now. All right, update of the progress. As you can see, I have the main control box. I have 3 of my 4 LED strips connected. The last one's going to be going underneath the passenger side footwell. I have all the wires nicely zip tied together. It's going to go tuck underneath in a bundle here. Let me demonstrate more or less what we're going to do with this. This is going to be kind of tucked in under here, and then when we close it up, it's going to be hidden away and not visible. But I'm going to tuck it away nicely and zip tie it so it doesn't rattle, because if there's any rattles, I will be very upset. But we'll make sure there isn't. So the last step is going to be to double-sided tape and stick this on underneath this, and I'll show you how I do that, and then we'll finally go in and I'll show you the lights. All right guys, we have dropped 9 degrees. We are finished. One of the easiest installs that I did. Oh look, the wifey's home. Perfect timing so I could show her and she could tell me I'm crazy or not. Funny story, she ran over some Gucci sunglasses like a dummy. What a waste of 300 bucks. Yep, they were right here on the floor when I came, and they watched that Lexus, girl. Don't look at my plates. Don't look at my plates. Just kidding. Nobody gives a shit. Anyway, GSF is ready. I gotta teach her how to park because she always parks in the middle of my garage. There you go. Move it over, baby.
What are you recording?
Oh no, oh look, those are the Gucci glasses she ran over that I was just talking about. They still look pretty good for being run over, but yeah, hey.
That's what you do. You pay for Gucci, you get quality.
Yeah, see, quality. You could run it over with a Lexus and still be balling.
A little scratch, but they still work.
You ready to see these beautiful LED lights I put on? Discoteca in my car. We're gonna listen to Polish discoteca when we're cruising down Belmont, and we'll get this show going. Is the LED strip. I put it all the way in the back because you don't want it anywhere near the front here where you could see the LEDs and the strip itself. You just want to see the light coming down. So that is all tucked away, good to go. Let's fire these up and see how they look. So we are inside the car right now. The light that you see is the regular light. I mean, this thing is barely visible, okay? I'm gonna power up. Oh, buddy! Yeah, buddy! Check that out. And we could choose any color that we like. Let's go red. Ooh, that red. Oh. All right, green, blue, orange, purp. You could have different shades. Yellow. Pretty sweet. And then let me see, is this the lowest brightness or the highest? So that is the lowest brightness, and we're gonna go all the way up. All right, that's the highest. Let me show you how it looks on the passenger side. Keep in mind that's daylight still, so that's pretty well Nice and visible. Gotta tell you, I like the red and I like the blue. Actually, I like the blue a lot because it matches the blue stitching. Let me see what's going on in the back if they're working. Yeah, in the back, nice and subtle glow. White. Man, I am a fan. And I got the controller in my hand and I don't have to be anywhere near the car and still control the colors, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Color strobe, yeah, party baby. Come on, guys. Who does not like that? Clearly nobody's gonna, I'm not gonna drive it like this because that's rice as hell, but pretty interesting and I like it. So I'm gonna usually have it on the lowest light setting because I don't want it to be stupid bright and annoying. So, man, I'm impressed. I wanna know what you guys think. Do you like it? I will leave a link below to where you could check this out on Amazon. Charlie approved. I mean, I like. And you could turn it off with the remote if you don't want it to be on, which is the sweet part. So that's pretty awesome, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button and like this video. If you wanted this product, check out my Amazon link below. You'll get it and enjoy it on your car. Super simple install. If I can figure it out, you can figure it out. Take care.